only known planet in this universe where life is possible only because of the availability of water and oxygen. Water is the precious gift of God on the earth. All the living beings need water to grow, develop, and live. And that's why today we are talking to three organizers of Safe Water. Miss Jana, what exactly is Safe Water?
It's a non-profit organization to help people in developing countries to get safe water to drink. And that's our aim, to make sure that one day everyone in this world can drink safe water.
That's true, but we have some problems. We all know that we have two kinds of water on planet Earth, fresh water and salt water. We can only drink fresh water. Salt water is undrinkable. Of all the fresh water on planet, people can only get to and use about 1% of it. Can you believe it?
Why is it that there are such problems with safe water? If it's true that people can only get to and use 1% of all the fresh water, then I'm sure a lot of people will ask where is the rest.
That's a very good question. First of all, when we talk about fresh water, we have to remember that is 97.5% from the world water is salt water and only 2.5% is fresh water. Now, of all the fresh water in the world, there is about 70% is frozen in the polar ice caps.
Well, but what about the rest? That still leaves out 30%, doesn't it?
Naturally, most of the 30% is in the ground. The soil needs to be moist, so trees and plants can grow. Also, there are huge underground lakes, but that we don't have access to because it would be so expensive to get to them. So we get only to 1% of the fresh water, and that's in lakes, rivers, and in the underground sources.
What about the rainfall? Can you tell us something about that?
Yes, of all the water falling into our planet, about 2/3 goes back up into the atmosphere through the evaporation, and about 1/3 ends up in rivers.
We have other problems. For instance, the Earth's population is growing very fast, and as a result, there is about 40% less fresh water available per person than there was 50 years ago. In Western home, in the USA, for example, or in Europe, a person can use as much as 500 liters a day, but an African family can make use only 20 liters a day.
Every day, millions of people, especially women and children, walk very long distances to get water from river, lakes,
And sometimes the water is dirty and polluted. That means lots of bad things.
Water is the most important necessity of life, and without water, no one can exist even for a day. And we have to change our bad habits into positive ones and spread awareness among people about the importance of the clean water.
Thank you, guys.
You are welcome. We were with you from ETC Central Latakia. Thanks for watching.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.